Introducing the EZDIY-FAB RH01 ARGB Memory Heatsink, designed for reliable cooling and clean aesthetics. There are 1-pack and 2-pack options to choose from. Inside the package, you'll find everything you need for installation. Start by removing the screws from the heatsink to separate the top and bottom covers. Attach the silicone thermal pads to the side of the memory module where the chips are located. Align the bottom edge of the thermal pad with the bottom edge of the memory chip to ensure the pad is not exposed after the heatsink is installed. Next, apply the EVA pad to the non-chip side. For easier removal later, we recommend attaching it to the heatsink instead of the memory. Align the heatsink with your memory module. The PCB must be placed below the wires during memory installation to prevent damaging them when installation is complete. Before covering with the heatsink, remember to peel off the film from the thermal pad to make sure you install it correctly and get the best cooling performance. Finally, secure it by gently tightening the screws evenly. That's it. Your RH01 ARGB Memory Heatsink is ready to deliver improved cooling and a cleaner look for your build. Stay cool, run stable.